Hi, welcome back on What Yourself channel. We're going to show you how to check the battery information in your Galaxy M15. To do this operation, slide up, go to settings here and search for the battery. Yep, that's it. Now scroll down and search for the battery information is right here. And as you see now we have a battery status when while charging will be right in here, but it's not charging right now. There is a battery level and there is battery capacity, so in my case it's 6000 milliampere hours. So it's typical. When it will be much lower, it will be right here, so you can always check the battery. Anyway, if you buy from the second-hand phone, you can of course check it the battery like an Apple or something like that. So that's it for now. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.